Today we are talking about hooks. If you want your videos to perform better, you need to level up your hooks. But here's the thing, there is no magic copy-paste hook that will make any video viral. What you need is to know what a powerful hook is, to know the psychology behind it. Over the past few months, I've been analyzing and breaking down frame by frame some of the biggest creators' most watched videos, learning the structure of what makes them so engaging right from the start. And in this video, I'll be sharing that strategy with you. I know the structure works because it's the same ideas that books and movies have used for decades now. The only difference is now these ideas are used for short form videos. But you have to remember that even though you're making a video for social media, you're still telling a story. Okay, so lesson number 1 is understanding what a hook needs to do. Think of your video like you're building a skyscraper. Your hook is the cement foundation. Without a solid base, everything else you add will collapse before you even start building. So if there's one thing you take away from this video, let it be this. Every strong hook must check off these 3 boxes. The first one is setup. In the first 5 seconds, I have to be clear on what the video will be about. Topic clarity. And that is so the viewer can decide if this video is worth their time. If I'm making a real estate video and you're not interested in real estate, I'm not wanting to trick you to watching. But if you do care about real estate, I want to signal that to you as soon as possible. So I need to give immediate context about the topic. Next, you need to give viewers a reason to keep watching. A twist. Say or show something they didn't know. A surprise, a what moment. That twist creates curiosity. And curiosity is what keeps people from scrolling. Finally, your hook should tell the viewer what they'll get if they stay till the end. That's the promise. What will they learn, see, or gain by watching the full video? When people know there's a clear benefit waiting, they'll stick around. Think about how every movie starts. It introduces the main character, their world, and something that disrupts it, and hints at what the story will be about. Your video is the same. It just has to do that in 5 seconds instead of 30 minutes. Okay, so now you know what a hook must check off, but how do you actually do that? Well, you do that by having a combination of text on screen, visual hooks, and voiceover. Let's start with the visual hook. You want to open your video with the most compelling visual possible, something that grabs people's attention. That can be done by an editing trick, a bold or interesting shot, or simply movement within the frame. The goal is to have something happening that keeps the viewer's eyes locked in. Text on screen is one of the easiest and most effective ways to tell the viewer what the video is about. People read faster than they can process visuals or audio, so adding short titles can immediately boost clarity and performance. Keep it simple. 3 to 5 words, bold and easy to read, to give quick context. Lastly, voiceover. Your voice is what ties everything together. Use it to expand what's already on screen. Don't repeat your text word for word. When your visuals, text, and voice work together, you create a 3x combo hook that's almost impossible to scroll past. So think of these 3 tools as the floors of your skyscraper. Stack them together to reach great heights. Depending on your video, you might only need 1 or 2 of them. But the key is that each tool should reinforce your foundation, the setup, the twist, and the promise. So as you can tell, learning to make a strong hook is all about experimenting with different combinations of the tools we talked about. The more videos you make, the better your instincts will get, each post becoming a practice. There are dozens of other tips I didn't have time to cover in this video. But what really matters is that you keep creating and learning from people who have been doing this for a while. And that's exactly what I plan to do with ReelCuts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.